National Workshop for Handmade Paper. That's where the paper is currently drying. You can see. From every one of these you get one page. Imagine to make one book, it will take you 1 million years. That's the entrance. Printing Gutenberg press from the 15th century. Original and unique manuscripts and souvenirs, of course. I don't know who is this guy, but... Hello. Can I make a video?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you. You don't use this machine right now, or?
Yeah, it's a copy of the Gutenberg press.
Ah, okay.
The original is in my Germany, this one here, one is in Slovenia. All the pictures that you see, print here on the press.
You would made it here.
Yes.
And
for the picture you have a block. First the artist make the picture, the craftsman make the block. It's a mirror image from right to left.
Okay.
You put natural color,
Yes.
tar and resin.
And you push. Ah, you put color on the stamp on the image. Okay.
Then you put the paper.
Okay.
This go under.
And then
Press
you push. Oh, you press it. Okay.
And now you have one picture, but we make in that time one page.
Okay, nice.
Now we mostly print pictures, not small pictures.
So before to print a book, you will take like how much time?
Depends. He needed like 2 hours to make one page.
2 hours to make one page
Yes.
every time. Oh gosh, so much time. Well, now you have all the stamps ready in this case.
Yes.
Okay. So you simply put the. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to make. I'm gonna show it on YouTube, so maybe you will get some customers.
Here we make the paper
Okay.
from wood and water. It's a natural process of making paper without any chemicals. So we make it same way like the Chinese made the paper 2 centuries before Christ.
But you need the wood.
In that time there used together like 20,000 people cut the wood all day long. Of course now you do it with machine.
Okay.
You grind the heart of the wood and the particles, the fibers, and they're in water, they connect, they bound each other. Mostly use hardwood, cherry, pine, juniper, oak. So you mix it. The color depends from the wood, but to get more strong color it's from flowers, from extracting the flowers.
And the machine nowadays, how much time it takes to make this?
30 days everything is still
30 days to create this water, or?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
That's one piece of paper. For decoration you can put whatever you want. Flowers, leaves, coffee, tea, different kinds of fats.
And the result is these bags?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Goes on the felt, got on the land, just to carry the paper for drying. Put them like the clothes also to dry. Put the paper.
And this
Because
clothes
it's
like cotton, or?
yes.
Okay.
Because it's like above 50% of water on the paper, goes on the press without the water half an hour, outside to dry. 1-2 days, depends on the weather. And when the paper is dry, just separate from the towel.
Oh, really
It's not
nice.
flat though, back under, you get it flat 10 hours. And then
10 hours under that machine to make it one page flat?
yes.
Or, okay. Wow, that's incredible. So you can imagine why this book costs 40 euros. Wow. What is the most sold thing?
Most everything. Depends what people like.
Like, what do they like usually?
Everything, man.
Everything. Okay. Okay, I will buy this one. That's two. Okay. What's the difference?
The paper.
So this one I'll take. This one I'll put
Okay.
it.
It's a stamp handmade
Ah,
paper.
cool. Handmade paper.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. Oh gosh, it's written in your language. Anyway, here we have the website. Well, thank you very much. What's your name?
Nino,
Nino. Nice to meet you. Miguel.
where are you from?
From Italy.
Italy?
Yes. So we got our special souvenir for today, and I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Keep reading and believing in your dreams. Ciao.